How to log in Trello app. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Trello app. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded this application in your device. If not, head over to Play Store and type in Trello. Once done, tap on Open. At this page, simply tap on Log In. And as you do so, you will see this pop up. Now here tap on Sign In with Google, but in case your account is associated with your Microsoft or Apple, you can go ahead and tap on either of them. Then type in your email address at this page and tap on Continue. As you do so, enter your password and tap on Login. And if your credentials matches your Trello account, you will get successfully logged into your account. And this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.